Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Brown color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, black color, pink color, blue color, red color, and light pink color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. The alphabets of J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. The numbers of 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.